Guys, good morning. So today I will be taking you guys through my productive self-care day. I'm going to plan my to-do list right now. I would not have a to-do list. I would just like rot in bed and laze around the whole day. So to-do list for the win. I'm going to plan out my entire day today. It's going to be super exciting. Time to fuel my body, and I'm craving for this chia seed bowl. Few videos that I'm currently editing, and I want to get that out of the way, like finish editing completely. I have been really consistent with my shorts and reels, so if you guys are looking for anything else, you have any topic in mind you would like me to shoot or to review, do let me know and I shall try and incorporate that. It is time to run some errands. I'm going to go in and apply some makeup on, super basic and super natural. I'm starting off with a little bit of concealer. I like to apply concealers and no foundation, like especially for shopping. I cannot go with a full face of makeup, and no, not a foundation as well. All of my brushes needs to be washed, so here I am just using my fingers. I think they blended super well. Time for a little bit of blush. I'm using this one from Blue Heaven. What my makeup looks like every time I go out or anything casual. Basically, I hope you guys like it, but yeah, this is what I love doing and this is what I normally prefer. Totally missed out to let you guys know where we are going. So basically, I have been on a hunt for good perfumes this summer, so we are going to go on a perfume hunt. So basically, there are some new launches. I really want to go and sniff those out. Also, I'm super confused between these two sunglasses, so let me know which one, this one or this one. I think I'm gonna stick with this one because I think it's matching my outfit more. It's time to leave, so let's go. So I'm on my way to the mall right now. It is around 12ish something. So I always go at this time anywhere outside in Mumbai because this is the time when there's less traffic, there is hardly any people in the mall, and this is like the best time for me to shop because I personally love solo shopping and enjoying the non-rush hours. So I'm at Sephora and I'm literally confused between all of these perfumes. It smells so good. That will last long. I have been starving, so let's get some food. This is my favorite after I get done with my meal. It's basically dried ginger with sugar. I really like this, but I wish I could try it on before purchasing. Take a quick look at the Body Shop, and this one smells really good. If you're looking for an affordable strawberry perfume, you need to try this one out. I just got two things from the mall. The first one is this perfume. It smells so good. I have been eyeing this for a while now, and I also picked up this very cute skirt. It's cream summer, so I had to get this. It's time to burn some calories. This body mist from Victoria's Secret smells so good. It's cardio day today, so let's get going. 틀어놓을 테니까 이 영화를 넌 봄에 먹을 맥주 캔과 과자를 사 우리 하루 종일 뒹굴거리면서 다시 뒹굴거리고 또 입을 맞추면서 다시 입을 맞추네 또 다시 입을 안으로 들어가 따뜻한 장판에 몸을 녹여 따뜻하 oh, Baby I love you Baby I need you 이렇게 아무것도 안 해도 좋은 걸 oh, I can't leave you I can't leave you 널 버리고 내가 대체 어디를 가겠니 걱정하지 않아도 돼 왜 자꾸 밖에 나가고 싶어 Tonight we are making some fish because I was craving to have some fish. We do have some leftover veggies. I already did cook quinoa, so yeah, everything's going to be like a piece of cake. 널 버리고 내가 대체 어디를 가겠니 걱정하지 않아 널 왜 자꾸 밖에 나가고 싶어 좋은 것만 내게 보여주고 싶은 거 나도 알아 근데 난 이게 더 좋은 걸 눈치 볼 필요도 없이 너를 만져도 되고 재밌는 영화도 보고 편해진 연애가 걱정된다면 말해 편한 일상 속에서 행복을 못 찾을 건 부질없는 짓이 Yeah, right now 난 이 보배 같은 너의 눈에 진주를 찾아서 네 바다 속에 헤엄쳐 예른 아래 넌 자꾸 다그쳐 이건 절대 게으름 피우는 게 아니라는 거야 무슨 말을 해도 핑계처럼 들릴 테니까 This is so good you guys 10 on 10 recommend you to try 아무것도 안 해도 좋은 걸 I can't leave you I can't leave you 널 버리고 내가 대체 어디를 가겠니 걱정하지 It is time for my nighttime skincare routine, and tonight I'm super excited to be trying out this new face mask that I just received. It's from LOVELEE. It's their Dead Sea Mud Mask. Now this is supposed to be useful for like if you have clogged pores, dead skin cells. So I think this is going to be perfect for tonight. So it has a really nice thick texture that I prefer in most of my face masks. A little bit of strong scent to it, but I don't think it's actually a perfume-ish kind of scent. It's some of the ingredients, I believe. I'm going to leave this on for around, what does it say? for around 15 minutes and rinse it off. Dried up now, so it is time to take this bad boy off. But also before I go and take this off, I really wanted to come here quick and let you guys know that this one did not completely dry out. Like, it's still soft in my skin, it's not crinkling up, so that is something that I really like about any face mask. I have to say I quite like this face mask already. I will use it for a couple of times more and then give my review on this. Tone, I'm using the No. Super Glowing Essence Toner. I pretty much really like this toner, but it does have fermented ingredients, so if you are allergic to any fermented ingredients, don't buy this. I mean, this would not suit your skin. But if you aren't, this is such an amazing toner. Instead of using a sheet mask tonight, I'm going in with the No. serum. This is their deep sleep mask serum, and this one works so much better than any sheet mask, and it's so perfect for those nights when you had a long day, literally have no energy to, you know, do a sheet mask session. This one just does not disappoint. I have been using this for half a month now, and I really quite enjoy this one. To moisturize, I'm using the Simple's Ceramide Moisturizer. This stuff is amazing. It soothes and nourishes my skin. Somehow do not think this would actually work for oily skin types, especially during summer. But for the winters, I think this would work for oily and combination skin. I pretty much enjoy this during summers as well. So it is a win for dry skin types. I'm using this lip balm from Swiss Beauty. So many of you guys have been asking me which shade this is, and the shade is Cherry. I'm just applying a teeny tiny amount of this face oil because I do not want to actually feel super greasy. Like, that's not my thing, especially not during summers, no. Skin is all ready for the night, and pretty much that is it for my nighttime skincare routine.